on Kannada language. First I say it in English and you repeat and then in Kannada and you have to repeat after me. In English we will say hi. In Kannada, namaskara. Repeat. In English we say what is your name. In Kannada, nim hesru enu. Repeat. Nim hesru enu. In English we say my name is Ayushi. In Hindi, in Kannada, nan hesru Ayushi. You can use your name instead of mine. Nan hesru Ayushi. In English we say how are you. In Kannada, nibbu hegidri. In English we say I am fine. In Kannada, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಆಗಲಿ.